We are making healthy pasta salad. Nothing like the deli pasta salad you know. It is loaded with fiber, nutrients, a lot of vegetables, and you will be eating it all summer long. Let's do it. We begin by boiling the pasta in a large pot with salted water, which helps and prevents pasta from sticking. While pasta is cooking, take your asparagus and snap one spear, and that's the woody end you don't want to eat. Then line this spear along with other asparagus spears and chop the ends off, so the same length. And then you chop asparagus into bite-sized pieces. You can also use green beans, snap peas, or broccoli, the same way. I've tried them all. Now put it in a bowl and let's go check on our pasta. I like to use small-shaped elbow macaroni. They're whole grain. You can use white or gluten-free. And pasta is ready. You want it to be al dente. Pasta is ready when you check with a knife and it's firm, or you can take out a piece on a cutting board, let it cool for a second, and taste it. Very simple. Now you want to add asparagus into pasta water and just let it cook until it begins to boil again. So it's basically blanched asparagus, and we don't want to cook it completely because it will become mushy. Just a little bit, so it is a little bit cooked. Transfer to a bowl with pasta. Let's chop tomatoes. Here I have my favorite tomatoes on the vine. You can find at any grocery store year-round. And my best advice is make sure your knife is very sharpened. There is nothing worse than squishing tomatoes with a dull knife. Chop your olives. I'm using pitted Kalamata olives. Make sure yours are pitted. Green olives work as well, and they go wonderfully with the feta cheese. I crumbled my own, and I recommend you do so. Buy a block and crumble, then you will avoid the anti-caking agents. Now a bunch of fresh Italian parsley. I prefer to a curly one. You can also use fresh basil, delicious Italian pasta salad kind of, or dill. So herbs, fresh herbs, add a lot of flavor without virtually any calories. Amazing. Now, I'm from Ukraine. We don't make salad dressing separately, and that's what I do for this salad. Drizzle pasta salad with a generous amount of olive oil. I'm using extra virgin. I just got back from Italy and their olive oil is amazing, not like mine here. I'm gonna try to find. Then add a little bit of dried oregano and garlic powder. If you're brave, try to grate garlic clove. It's absolutely amazing. Salt and pepper to taste. And we are ready to stir. That's it. That's all there is to a healthy pasta salad. So when I stir, make sure you use a spoon that doesn't damage the ingredients. Here I have silicone spoon, and kind of like rotate the bowl and putting the spoon in the middle of the bowl in the center and just gently stirring. See how everything is nice, same size? This salad is so healthy, delicious, hearty. Like, this healthy pasta salad will steal a show at any barbecue. It's absolutely amazing. Let it chill if you can, if you have time, and enjoy.